Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. We are continuing on with the Max Sudoku, or Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Again, there is a link in the description or you can find it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if any books are ordered. Alright, where do we want to start today? Looks like we're doing puzzle 51, by the way. Alright, well, let's start with this box. We're missing a 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, but no other help. So 4, 6, 8. Again, that 1, and no help. 4, 6, 8. For this one, we've got the 4 there. So 1, 6, 8. For this one, we've got a 6 and an 8 and a 1 there. So that makes this our 4. So we can get rid of that 4 and that 4. And that means that this is the only place our 1 can be. If we work on this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 there. So 8, 9. 9 there. So 6, 8, no help here, so 6, 8, and 9. All right, let's work on this column here. Looks like we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 there and a 9 there, so 3, 6. Got a 3 here and a 6 here, so 8, 9. We've got 6, 8, and 9 there. So that makes this our 3 and this our 6, which means we're still missing 8 and 9 for up here. If we work on this column, we're missing a 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got the 3 and 5 there. So 1, 7, 3 and 5 again, 1, 7. Here we've got 1 and a 7, so 3, 5, and here we've got the 1 and the 5 and the 7, so this has to be our 3 and this has to be our 5. So if we finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is our 9. To finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 6, 8. 4 can't be in these two, so this has to be our 4. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. There's a 1 here, so 2, 1. Let's see, if we do this row, looks like we're missing a 2, 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 2 there. So 4, 6, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 4, 6. And no help here. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. If we do this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got 2, 3, and a 4 there. So this is our 8. We've got that 4, so 2, 3, we've got a 3 here, so 2, 8, and same thing here, 2, 8, so the only place our 3 can be for that row is here. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6, 7, and 8, we've got the 7 and 8 there, so this is our 6, we've got a 7 there, so 8, 7. This 8 makes this our 2, 8. And this is our 6. So we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. Anything else? This 8 we can get rid of here. Oh, and here. So this has to be our 9, which makes this our 8. So then we can get rid of this 8. So So then it looks like this is the only place our 8 can be there. So 6. All right, let's work on, well, let's finish this box off. 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. Which then means that this has to be our 2. So if we get rid of that, then we're at 4 and 6 left for that row. Oh, but that 6 makes this our 4, so this is our 6. So if we finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then for this row, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. And we've got a 5 there, so 4, 9. We've got a 4 and 5 there, so this is our 9, 4, 5. All right. So for this box, we're missing a 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 2 there, or sorry, 1, 2, and 9. So this is our 9. We've got a 2 there, so 1, 2. If we work on this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got this, oh, that can't be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we're missing 6 and 9, but the 6 can't be here or here because we have this one. So, and I see what happened here. Somehow I ended up with 2 6s in this column. All right. That's it for today's puzzle. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you tomorrow.